Innovation is the core engine driving industrial progress. Henan mines offer customized solutions to empower global aluminium industry partners. In the preparation workshop of an aluminum carbon plant in Baochu, multifunctional thin material crane developed by Henan Mine, we are setting new standards with outstanding performance. This crane behind me, it was designed by a company for customers. Back to the Sky Car. It has the function of double carbon bracing fixture, suction function, and braking function. The clamp is made with a large arm opener. All sizes can be satisfied. Solve the trouble of replacing the ruler plate for customers. Urine absorption rate can reach 80 cubic meters per hour. The fabric tube can save some angles when cloth, and automatically return. Cloth tube has dust collection function. In the fabric, the dust bag can remove the return dust generated during the fabric, urinary and ash wounds collected. Solve environmental issues that customers do not understand. Our carbon factory cultivates burning. We're producing 120,000 tons of seasonal carbon. Previously, we used French ECL and Elisa of Switzerland. From 2020, we repaired the whole furnace again. Our blocks have been remodeled. After the renovation, the whole work efficiency is too low. We have also been inspected by many parties. There are also various aspects of the overall market. Horizontal comparison of manufacturers. Selected Henan mines. It has been used for nearly 2 years. Now, our choice is correct. Crane in Henan Mine. It perfectly replaces all the functions of foreigners. Now our Western material capacity. It is nearly 30% higher than the foreigner Sky Car. After sales maintenance personnel in Henan mines, able to do something at the first time. Be there as soon as possible. Relying on the after-sales maintenance of Henan mines, we have also cultivated a group of qualified, skilled crane maintenance personnel. We are also at the pole now. Lily recommends the crane of Henan Mine to his peers. At the raw material end of electrolytic aluminum production, efficient storage and transportation of anode carbon block is essential. Anode carbon block stacking crane made by Henan Mine is a key hub within the carbon block warehouse. Its combination clamp has flexible adjustment function. Not only can you accurately clip 10 anode carbon block each time, the number of clips can also be adjusted according to actual production needs, achieving the perfect unity of efficiency and flexibility. Provides a solid guarantee for continuous handling. And in the core link of electrolytic aluminum production, the true intelligence revolution is taking place. Henan Mine, a new generation of electrolytic aluminum multifunctional units, is redefining production standards here in order to meet production requirements. Let's take a look. A multifunctional crane for mining in Henan Mine. This car can be automatically replaced. Planned 70,000 kilometers. Equipped with independent rotation function, etc. These functions greatly reduce the labor intensity of workers, improve work efficiency. I think this is the most fully functional car in China's aluminum industry. Car. It sets up prying and lifting sets to replace the residue and clean it up. Automatic loading of auxiliary materials in one. Automatically excavate electrolyte crusts. Complete residue extraction and cover material recovery. Side height bright scene system supported by high-precision sensors. Let Yangji replacement be as accurate as surgery. Single plus PT and automatic replacement technology. With AI visual recognition as the core. Complete 8 major processes independently. Zero personnel exposure risk. Increase productivity. Define smart standards. Henan Mine customized lifting solutions. Driving green and intelligent change in the aluminum industry. Henan Mines hold the future of the aluminum industry with solid arms.